I take over the world. Nothing not gonna stop me. You know? I take over the world. Nothing not gonna stop me. I take over the world and nothing not gonna stop me. Nothing at all. That'll stop me. Nothing. I took over the world. All that page. All that page. Follow that page. Follow that page. I got to take over the world. I got to take over the world. The Olympics. And nothing not gonna stop me. No stop. Take over the world. I take over the world still. I take over the world still. Nothing not gonna stop me, you know? I know through my life, I miss people. Mm-hmm. I miss up people, bro. I give them my money, I give them my strength. I give them my wealth now, dog. Once I move, I now give them wealth. Yeah. I tell you, man, there's somebody know, man.
You give them a wally,
wally for strength, I give dog. I'm done now. Mm-hmm. I take over the world, dog, and I bring it with me.
Alright, I'm there with you 100%.
You like fuck up with you, give all the same people. Oh, okay, I'm gonna take your things,
yeah.
Wish you feel I'm gonna take over the world.
I take over the world, I want anything I can prove. I'm not pre nothing else, bro. You see my place look? I'm not even pre for clean.
Good. One thing I want to name my brand, gold.
You see that plot there? Me have a million subscriber plot, forget to.
Alright.
Alright then. I take over the world, I'm not stop, dog. I mean I represent black, gold, and fucking green.
Green.
That I'm a gang. I'm a gang. Got everybody where they are so support, bro. I'm a gang.
So, yeah, we will see from
King Tavii. Pass 1,000 subscribers. Done me out, man.
Yeah, I think.
Don't go around the king, no, man. Tell yourself, say, you're a king, man. See that? Yeah, man.
Mansa Musa.
Greatness, there. Yeah, go feed. I mean, nothing stop them,
The
man.
project you have prove them wrong, Tavii. You see on this job? You're going to say bombo clat. And you're going to just a easy back and just a watch. You're just a easy back and
Have this always in present, man. Remember, you don't get this, man. I know so you have the craft to do it, man. You see me? Make this motivate you. You see me?
Let me see this.
Yeah, man.
Let me see this.
No joke, man. Make that motive.
Yeah, that mean shit. I do respect of the people, them.
Eh?
I do respect of my people, them alone, mean.
Give yourself the respect, man. You know, watch people.
I do respect of people. My Jamaican people alone makes sense.
You know, Via.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Alright.
What name is something you crying from me?
Are you mommy, Tavii?
No.
Oh.
You don't buckle at 8 bills. You can't everybody want AD wagon now, dirty girl. Go lick out on them and mama rich. Mama rich, you want dirty dog shit for the people them up. You want little silent mockers. You want dog shit. You want deep sea, dirty girl. I be a Johnny man, them Johnny me a pussy when them fuck you. Girl, a pussy come like down a swamp. Girl, a pussy a big and buckler infection. How much disease in your pussy, girl? Girl, I want doctor before you come over here. And the jokes now want you dirty girl. Go suck your mama. You do anything for clout, dirty girl. You can't size up with prudent, dirty girl. You take fucking in your mouth, you take fucking in your ears. You take fuck all in your draw corner, dirty girl. Don't tell your little brother in the house to fuck you. You can't talk to me, girl. You kill this girl. Go suck your mama. You think you can come over here and get no hype and come talk like you know hot girl and you know top girl. Girl, you mock. Girl, you dark shit. Girl, you nobody. Girl, you come like one and come and fall.
Mute him. He have no ambition, a low life header. A low life that. A low life, he have no ambition. Go buy a big beamer. And before Britney tell himself he go buy a proper bed. That's why every day him face broke out. So, because the bed where I sleep and think and dirty and molly and lies tonight. That's why him face can't get better. If he did buy a good bed, him face would have better. 3 rush chat. Look, for you look here, you know, so you more think. Zozo not even can cook good pan the stove when have. Zozo can cook good pan the stove. Zozo have a little dirty 2-burner stove, guys. If me never tell you no, guys. If Zozo they cook pan the stove and the stove rackle too hard, the pot drop off. Ask him, tell him for sure on his stove. Right now you tell him for sure on his beamer and show on his beamer. No. But tell him for sure on his stove, he can't show on his stove. Zozo diva have a good piece of linoleum in your house. Use the triple, guys. Indeed, have a good. Tell him to spin the camera now. Use the triple, guys. Use the triple. No, use the triple. Why me talk? I mean, I know how Britney got drop her standard for thinking Zozo. Take your girl money, go buy a car. And when I look now, the girl can't stream in peace because of him. Britney need to go back her yard. Britney are going like she love Hood more than nobody else. Britney are next one need cuss out. Britney need to go her yard. Every day itch up under Zozo, make Zozo they chat over you and you can't make your money. And next you make Zozo talk to you like a shit. I mean I like that because you're a princess and you're a queen. And I hear wave Zozo they ride off as Zozo no have a name. You have to remember say you name Brit and you name Prudent. But any idea, me not know why Britney itch up at this a dirty man your house every day before Britney go yard go stream. You go on like you love cat more than nobody else. You not get enough. You take your money, give Zozo if you buy. Go on back at your bumbuckler yard, man. Go on at your yard and leave Zozo alone. Zozo, they take away all of your help. Zozo, take away your cloud from you. And when I look now and talk like that, Britney can't stream. Britney need to go her yard. Monday to Friday, Britney stream her yard and get her money. And weekend, you can't take your hood. You can't put hood over your success. Yeah, Zozo energy drain. Zozo take away Brit wealth. And Britney sit up there like she have no fucking sense. Britney, they act like one big idiot, girl. I mean, I like that. Because Gemini, girl, are not idiot. But when we weak in a love, we weak in a love. Remember, say you name Britney. And Zozo build this. And the crown, you know, for Zozo. Remember, say a fear wave Zozo, the ride off. Remember, if you never take up Britney world, we would give you nothing and we would know you. So why you feel like, say, you want to take away girl, Destiny? Yeah, Destiny swapper. And nobody not forgive him. Nobody not forgive him. Nothing at all over there. Make him go look work. Dirty, drunk, low life. Me not know what kind of low life, non-ambition man this is. Britney can't take out, go buy a car before you buy a house. Drunk.
Dirty girl. Put your pussy for one ramp. And find out what they go on under you. Dirty
Thanks
girl.
everybody.
All shit house, girl.
You're dirty, you low life.
Girl, them pitney more blood clot, the mongrel dog, them pitney. You're careless.
Dirty, drunk,
you pitney them where you're supposed to get. You beat it down.